Hi everybody, so today I'm going to do an unboxing video for the G36 Tactical Rimfire Rifle 22 Long Rifle. It's made by H&K. Put the lid on here. So when you open the box, you get the magazine. No, it does not come fully loaded. Unfortunately, it'd be nice. So here's the rifle. It comes with a foldable stock. See that? And the paperwork. You get a product guide, a little booklet for firearms safety depends on you. You get some Allen keys. A congratulations, you are now the owner of a Walther firearm paper mailer thing jigger. And you get a manual. Finally, what you get in the box is the lock. It's nice and red so you can find it. So that's everything that comes in the box with the H&K G36 Tactical Rimfire Rifle. '13 product guide. So apparently if you still have money after buying one, you can buy whatever else. Ooh, that one's cool. I want that one, Dad.
Bond. James Bond. Wow, that's way high. Okay, what do we got here? That was not the last round. Still one in the chamber. There's the last round. That's the first malfunction. Well, we've got our H&K G36 22 long rifle here. It seems to be a decent little gun. It's definitely interesting to look at. Of course, it's modeled off the G36 by H&K. And we're shooting it today. Give you some initial impressions about it myself. I'll be honest, it's a little bit more plasticky than maybe I like, but it's not bad. It doesn't feel toyish. Probably can understand what I'm saying. It's kind of lightweight and plasticky in feel, but not to the point of feeling like a toy. So the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522 to me does a little bit better mimicking the feel of the AR that it's copying than this G36 does. But all in all, it's still a good rifle. It seems to be running well. And of course, you've got the folding stock so that you can use it in a pistol format if you're going for a walk. Just want to have something with you, perhaps to pop squirrels with. You want something a little bit longer range than a pistol. This would certainly do the job. These are literally our first shots with it today. Everyone's first impressions with it. Comes with a 20-round magazine. I understand 10, 20, and 30s are available now for it. And I had to say that it's a little early to say that I have a bad impression or a good impression. It's nice. I enjoy shooting it. I will say one thing I don't like about it is this takedown pin. Used to an AR. My son had the same problem. I went to release the magazine and I pushed the takedown pin. Now, it's not to the point it'll fall apart or anything, but it just, yeah, I really wish that wasn't there and it didn't move, because if there was nothing here, I would do this and go, oh, and reach over here to release the magazine. But because it moves, in my mind, I've pushed the magazine release. Why isn't the magazine coming out? Of course, we get used to that, but very, very, very minor. But that's the one thing that I've encountered that's kind of awkward for me. And other than that, it does well. The rail's detachable. To me, this looks like an excellent place to put on a night scope. This would be a good little raccoon gun for going out in the evening and after dark to catch raccoons raiding your hen house, which they've been known to do. Pistol configuration if you want to. It's really a cool gun, and I think we're going to enjoy this one. I think we're really going to enjoy this one. So who wants to shoot it next?
I'm going to shoot it.
Second malfunction.
It didn't eject the round.
Clear? Yeah. Definitely can't cross that. It does pretty good. It is amazing just how light it is. You pick it up and you're expecting something, a bit heavier. It's like nothing in it is metal other than the bolt and the barrel. Everything else just is lightweight polymer, and that really throws you off at first.
Well, I think I may have found my new conceal carry. It's not much larger than the Smith & Wesson 9 Shield, I don't think. It hides discreetly. Can't even know it can walk around. I don't think anybody would even notice that I'm carrying it. Alright. Pistol mode. Yeah, the sight's a little bit, it takes a little bit to get used to it. So it's really a pretty neat rifle. I think, not sure of the malfunctions. Those are literally the first shots, just wearing it in a little bit. It seems to be running better. And we'll go through, make sure we clean and lube it real good. It seems to be running fine. We are running federal target grade performance ammo in it. And seems to be doing good. We've not had too many malfunctions, just a few odd ones here or there. Nothing to be concerned about at this point, I don't think. It is awful dry, so we clean it and we'll lube it a little bit better next time, and I think it'll run good.